Hello and a warm welcome to the channel. Sydney here, and I have my first ever YouTube unboxing today. It is an Apple Watch. It is the latest series. It has literally just arrived. It hasn't long been here. So excited to get into this packaging and see what's inside and see how easy it is. It's been a while since I had a watch. My only other Apple Watch I have previously owned has been the original series. So excited for this series 4. It's going to be so much faster, so much more awesome. So we have this clear packaging which it's arrived in, which I'm now going to open up and get into. We're going to disregard this paper here. It's got a sticker on with my address on, which is being delivered in. And it's a bit like passing a parcel. We have more cellophane to take off the Apple Watch box. It's been a while since I unboxed an Apple Watch. It is certainly my first one here on the channel. So if you would like to subscribe, there will be more unboxings and technology insights on the way. Just removing the cellophane from the outer layer of the box. I've mentioned on my previous videos as well, I am visually impaired, so I will try my best to get things in shot and take a picture of things as much as I can. So we have I'm assuming this is Apple writing on the outside of the box here. We seem to have some tabs, which looks like an easy way to get into it. It's a round tab with a finger hole, which I'm assuming you just pull, and there's one on each side, and it all seems to unravel and lift up. Oh, very nice, easy free packaging here, getting into the box quite quickly actually. There seems to be two things in here. I'm assuming this thinner one may be the straps. I got the 44mm version of the Series 4 with a silver aluminium case. I think we're going to go into the bigger box first. We take out the outer layer. You might hear my guide dog's bells in the background. I don't think he's quite decided that he wants to come in. But the bigger of the two boxes seems to have a lid that lifts quite nicely off. So I'm just going to put that underneath for safekeeping for now. Nestled, don't know if you can see that there, in the corner of this box, I'm assuming this is the actual watch itself. This seems to be very nicely packaged in some foam and cellophane. So very excited to get this open. I'm just going to put this to one side on my desk for a second. So I'm going to leave that there for now. Hopefully, I'm assuming there'll be some straps in here as well to actually get on it. We'll just lift up this bit of paper which is separating. Don't know if you can see there, the charger, the charging wire, obviously the stand to charge it on, the magnetic stand for the back of the case. I'm assuming that's the same as the original series. And we seem to have the very snazzy Apple plug, the most one of the powerful ones. I think it's charges a bit faster than the actual iPhone plug. It's very nice because I don't know if you'll be able to see if I just open the paper on the watch here. Take a bit of paper off that's around it. It's a very nice plug because it's all flat, it's compact, and it just pops up. It goes, you lift you lift the middle prong up and it flips like that, comes up, and if you want it to go into travel mode, you flip it back down. Very nice, easily and compact. So I'll put that back in the box for now, as I'm kind of banking on the Apple Watch having a tiny bit of charge so I can set it up. Won't actually be setting it up on this video, but just wanted to have a more in-depth look into the box and see what was in the packaging itself. So I'm going to set this to one side. We have the Apple Watch itself and go back to the smaller box. There was two boxes in the packaging, and I'm assuming this will be the strap. It was quite interesting because I got it on the AE network, so I've got the cellular 4G version of the Apple Watch, and actually, a bit like passing the parcel here, you take off one sleeve, nothing inside that one, so we'll put that to one side, and we have yet another sleeve. Just trying to work out, looks like there's a bit of a flap here, so we lift that one up and then it goes round, and it looks like I've opened it upside down. Blind moment, of course. I might have not. Oh, there we go, and I believe I can feel here there's a strap on that side and a strap there as well, so it'd be quite easy to actually fit them on to the watch. Actually, I will do that on the video now. if I can figure out how we take these out. We've got a bit of paper on the strap there. This is the end of the strap with the pin in that actually helps to connect the watch. As I say, the aluminium silver version on AA comes with this white strap. If you get the space grey version, that comes with a black strap. And if you get the gold version, which I did fancy the gold version, it actually comes with a pink strap. Didn't quite fancy a pink strap, but I did fancy gold watch, so I didn't actually get that in the end. The actual watch face itself and casing is rather securely packaged in this bit of foam. Don't know if you'll be able to see that. My big fingers are in the way. I'm assuming it just comes out. Oh, you squeeze it and it comes out. That worked. Managed to grab it. No butterfingers, don't fancy dropping it just yet. And it should be a very simple case of lining up the pins with the side of the watch and literally, hopefully, sliding it home. It should really just be that simple. But we'll see how easy it is. Like I say, I haven't had a watch for a while now. I actually sold my original version a few years ago, and there is one end of the watch in already. If you can see there, hold that watch up, there's a proper look at the watch. You can see there as well we have two buttons on the watch. Well, it's nice to see actually they've made that rectangular button on the side facing the camera there a lot flatter. It used to stick out a heck of a lot in the original series. That now seems almost flush with the case. I wasn't actually sure that's a button, but I've just tried to press that in, and it is indeed. And it does look like I've accidentally started loading this up now. It looks like it's gone into switch on mode, so hopefully we can leave this to turn on. I'm assuming the Apple logo's on the screen. We're going to be activating voiceover because I am visually impaired, so we do that by using a triple click press, a triple press of the digital crown. If you're familiar with accessibility features, VoiceOver is a free screen reader built into every single Apple product, whether that be an Apple TV, an iPhone, an iPad, or maybe even a iPad, Apple TV, as I've mentioned, of course, as well. So I'm going to try and get the other half of the strap out now and try and figure out which version is the bigger one for my wrist. You get two here, so I'm just going to actually measure and line these up. I think I might have took the smaller one out. Yes, I have, and I've got quite big chunky wrists. Might be to say that. So I'm just going to put this thinner one back in. It is actually nice of Apple too, rather than getting you to choose a size, they actually just put two in the box so you can choose which one you want. I want the bigger one. I've just pulled out the smaller one there, so I'm actually going to now try and figure out how we get this bigger one. Just slides out of the packaging. Easy, nice, simple, all recyclable packaging, fuss-free packaging from Apple, which I'm quite liking. I'm assuming this Apple Watch is on now, so in a second I will try to be activating VoiceOver, but first things first, just gonna slide. There's like a little hole which you aim for, which I'm going to try and do now. And try not to touch the screen at the same time, which could be very interesting. There we go, that is now sliding home. That seems to work. So now I'm going to press the digital crown. You'll be able to see there 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can hear that. VoiceOver on. That was very quick. I'm very impressed with that. It basically just goes through different languages, telling me to double tap, and it's ready to pair. It's just going through different languages. My iPhone is actually near my Apple Watch. So I'm going to end this video now, and thank you for watching this unboxing, my first ever unboxing on YouTube. Any comments, likes or subscribe to the channel is very welcome.